Part B. So this is student loans. So remember we did this in class. So this is very similar to what we did in class. You can check your binders if you're not remembering. This is all going to explain. So make sure you have your debt. This is how much you own for student loans. And we're going to have three different options. You're going to have loan A, loan B, loan C. And the goal is you're going to decide which one you're going to pick. And so remember our formula. So it's A is going to equal P times R times T. So my principal is 26260, and my rate is right here. It's 5.9%. So I got to turn 5.9. I got to divide 5.9 by 100, and I'm going to get 0.059. So I'm going to put 0.059, and then the time. So remember, we are borrowing money for college, and so the loan is going to take 10 years. 10 years of paying it off, but also I'm going to need it in college. So there's also going to be 4 years of time where I have the loan where it's still accruing interest. And so I need, my time is going to be in total, it's going to be, it's going to be 14 years. So I'm going to put this in my this is going to calculate how much interest I'm going to earn. So 26260 times the interest is 0.059 times 14 years. So 21,690.76. Okay, so that's 21,690.76. 76 cents. So this is my interest. I'm just going to label this. This is my total interest. But remember, I'm not paying it off all at once. I'm going to have many, many months to pay it off. I have 10 years to pay it off. So how many months is 10 years? Each year is 12 months. So I'm going to do 10 times 12. That gives me 120 months. So my time, I'm going to break it up into 120 small payments. And divide by 120. And $180.76 is going to be each month. So $180.76 is going to be my interest. Each month I'm going to owe that. Alright, the second step is the principal. The principal is paying off the actual debt. So the actual debt is 26,260. But remember, I'm not paying it all at once. I'm paying every month. So how many months do I have? I'm going to label this as my months. This is my. So I'm going to divide it by 120. So 26260 divided by 120 is 218.83 cents. And that's my principal. That's what I'm paying to pay off the loan. That goes towards the actual loan. And so remember, these two things I'm sending in every month, so to calculate my payment, just got to add them up. And that's going to be what I'm paying every month for my loans. So my balance is 26,260. And this number here is the only number that gets counted towards my balance. So I got to subtract $218.83, and that's going to give me what my new balance is going to be. So that's what you're going to do for these 3 loan options.